Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will customize my visualization even more, and today I will add color, shape and size at the same time. So here you can see I have worked on this in previous video. So now I want to customize this again, and here I just want to claim the alpha. Here I just type here color and run this. You can see here, based on different islands, I have different colors here, and here I can add shape to my visualization. I just type here comma, and here I just type shape equal to, for example, I want to customize the shape by species. I just type here the species and select this and run. You can see here I have different species here. Different species. For different species we have different shape, and based on islands we have different colors. So we can go even further and also customize this by size. At the same way, it's pretty straightforward. I just type here size equal to, so for example I go with island and just select this and run. You can see here, based on island we have different colors, different shapes and different size here. So I can change island to species and run. You can see here, based on now the size is based on a species and the color is based on island. So we can make all of this just by island or species. I just come here and clean the island from here, type here species and run this. You can see we can customize our data in different ways. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.